Isang magandang Biyernes sa inyong lahat. Thank God it's a Friday and it is December 31, 2021. Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang New Year's Eve edition ng the stock market today. 360 days na lang. Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007. I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at ating ipa-prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa REITs outlook for 2022. Kasama po ang financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. New Year's Eve, December 31, 2021. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. So this is our main news, but let's go to the headlines. Market interest in REITs seen to continue in 2022, which are main news, And then let's go to the stock market, siguro, or top stories. In the top stories, Duterte signs 5 trillion budget into law. And in the stock market news, wala pong gaano kasi sa corporate. Market seen to move sideways on recovery hopes. Then shares move up on year-end window dressing. Yan. Okay, so let's now go to our main news. Ang main news po natin ay tungkol sa market interest dito sa mga real estate investment trust. So, ito po yung pinaka-news niya. From the business world, investors and property developers alike are expected to continue supporting the interest in real estate investment trusts or REITs, which will remain a bright spot in 2022. We expect that companies will look into launching their own REITs as an alternative to raise capital for future expansions and build further their credibility in the market. JLL Philippines Vice Chairman Joey Radovan said in an email on December 7. Lichu Property Consultant President and Chief Executive Officer David T. Lichu is expecting a healthy pipeline of REITs next year. The property services firms are expecting the next wave of REITs to come from the industrial sector. Industrial assets will be popular due to the improvement of manufacturing output and the need for more industrial spaces and warehouses. Colliers Philippines Associate Director Joey Roy Bondok told Business World on an email on December 6. So magko-continue po yung ating REITs. Actually po maganda pong source of fixed income yan dahil aside from capital appreciation, kumikita po kayo ng dividends. Tsaka kasi, as mandated by law, ang REIT po, 90% nung kaniyang kita, binabalik po niya sa atin as dividends. Double Dragon Properties and Jollibee Foods have expressed plans to issue an industrial REIT next year through Double Dragon's industrial leasing subsidiary Central Hub. Aside from the industrial sector, RCBC Securities President Raul Ruiz said in an email on December 21 that the market might see more REITs for commercial properties such as retail spaces due to the expected economic reopening. Citicorp Energy REIT Corp is looking to tap capital markets next year to build new solar plants. It will be the first energy-focused REIT listing in a sea of REITs with assets mostly focused in the office sector. So that's it, yung ating news for the day. And please catch yung interview ko kay Miss JD Nandyan po, December 20, ito kahapon ko po pinublish, no? December 30. And yung aming joint vlog ay December 29, I think, or December 28. December 28 po yung aming joint vlog. Yan po, no? Yung joint vlog mo namin ay December 28. And then yung interview ko po kay Miss JD, I published it yesterday, no? First time po kami mag-collaborate, no, on a joint charting session. And we will do this more often with Miss JD. Okay, so let's now take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it fared. Okay, but before I do that, let me read some comments from our dear subscribers. Okay, sabi po ni Rudy Mateo, Sir, Happy New Year, pasili po si Pure Gold. And then Kerwin, sabi niya, thank you ulit sir for the quick review. Then sabi po ni George Kwang, Sir, paki-review po ang GMA7. Salamat po. So we'll be reviewing two stocks as you requested, Pure Gold and GMA7. Okay, let's now take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index declined by 211.93 points. Laki ha? 2.89% down to end the year at 7122.63. So makikita po natin, mukhang engulfing red candlestick po ito, which is just above the MO100, no? The closing price is just above the MO100 of 70.82. Yan po. So, yung profit taking, nag-profit taking po siya ngayon, but some analysts expect some window dressing, ano, kaya dapat tumaas po yan, but the reverse happened. So, in the market summary, 124 companies declined, 64 advanced, while 42 remained unchanged. On the sectoral indices or all-share index also declined 1.68%. All the sectoral indices are down, and this was led by the holding companies at 3.54%. On the market, the most active stocks, we will be reviewing GMA7, Pure Gold, and the first four active stocks, Ali, TEL, MBT, and ICT. So all in all, we're reviewing 6 stocks. So let's go first to GMA7. Okay, GMA7 just moving sideways, lost 18 centavos to end at 13.84. Yung kanyang candlestick po ay just piercing through the candlestick, indicating a sideways movement. Tignan po natin ang volume niya. Aha, meron naman volume. Well, konti lang naman volume, pero meron pong volume dito, no? Nung December 28. Yeah, there is trading naman on GMA7. So, volume is 8.72 million or 627,000 valued at 8.72 million. So, just moving sideways po si GMA7. Pero what's good about GMA is that it's one of the non-index stocks that would earn you dividends, ano? Kasi computin po natin yung dividend yield niya. Nagbigay po siya noong April 19, ano, na 135, but ang closing price po niya is 13.84. That would give a whopping 9.75% dividend yield. So, remove po natin yung 10%. 8.77. This is one of the highest, if not the highest in a non-index stock. So, yung ating support ay lagay po natin sa MO100 na 13.72. Yung kanyang resistance nandito po sa area to, nasa 16.18. Yan po yung pinaka-resistance po niya. Just moving sideways po si GMA. Pero maganda po yung potential ni GMA dahil election year po kasi ngayon eh. Yan po, no? Election year po si GMA. And yung mga revenues po niya from political ads, dyan po magte-tell, no? So yung mga networks like GMA, ABS-CBN, PTV, no, it's ABC5, dyan po kikita ang mga radio and television networks dahil po sa political ads. And then, pagkatapos po ay si Pure Gold. One of the more undervalued stocks in the index is Pure Gold. Just moving sideways si Pure Gold, meron po siyang dividend na 25 centavos per share. Ex-date is January 5. So under the short-term indicator, above the short-term indicator po si Pure Gold, meaning ay maaari nagko-consolidate pa ito sa level na ito. And mukhang sideways to short-term bullish po ang masasabi ko dito kay Pure Gold. So yung RSI po niya is 50, 50.8, which is just in the midpoint level. So ang pinaka support po ni Pure Gold nandito po sa area to. Yan, nasa 1378. Yun po yung pinaka 3680, yung pinaka support level po ni Pure Gold. Alam niyo po, pagka support and resistance area po yan, hindi yan po yung exact point. Just moving sideways, yung pinaka resistance po niya ay nandito po sa level na ito. Actually, almost resistance level, but after this resistance level po, nandito na po yung kanyang resistance level, medyo mataas-taas na po dito po sa level na ito. Nasa 44.22 yung pinaka-resistance level niya. So, area po siya. Okay po? Ang pinaka-tunay na value, ang fundamental value po niya, nasa more than 50. Mga 55, 56 po ang pinaka-value po niyan based on the study of BDO securities. So, that's Pure Gold. And then, yung most active ngayon ay si Ali. Ngayon si Ali naman ay wow! Engulfing green candlestick. Hindi po natin masasabing breakout ito dahil hindi naman kalakihan yung, well, just average yung volume, but it's an engulfing green candlestick. Parang nag-profit taking. Feel ko lang nag-profit taking po ito. So tignan po natin. So let's plot the support level. Nandito po yung pinaka-support niya. Dito po. Sa 1346. Yan. Sa 3436 rather. At ang pinaka-resistance po niya, nandito po sa area to. Yan. Sa 37 o 38. Mga 38 pesos ang pinaka-resistance po ni Ali. After Ali, tignan naman po natin si TEL. Si TEL naman ay yan, patuloy na tumataas si TEL. Although red candlestick po siya ngayon, ay kung titingnan niyo po, under the candlestick po yung ating mga indicator, meaning bullish po ang sentiment po ni TEL. So, from here, na nagkaroon siya po ng breakout, ay patuloy po siya nagko-consolidate, just barely touching the EMA 20, which is somewhat acting as a support, no? Pero ang pinaka-support po niya ay nasa EMA 50. So, in the meantime, yung ating resistance nandito po sa area to, sabi po natin ay ito po. Yan, dyan po. Yung pinaka-area po ni TEL. And we can say it's at 1900 po yung pinaka-resistance ni TEL or within that vicinity, no? In the meantime, yung support level po niya ay nasa 1720 to 1730 po. Ang pinaka-support level, we take the EMA 20 as our support. Then MBT, si MBT naman ay nag-consolidate or nag-profit taking somewhat. Doji po ang kanyang resulta, losing 1.3 centavos. Pero bullish pa rin po ang ating mga indicators, ha? Nasa ilalim po siya. At yung previous day or previous trading day po ay December 29, which had volume. Tingnan po natin na coming days ay mukhang magko-consolidate lang siya before it continues to move higher. Kasi ang daming, tingnan niyo po ito, marami po siyang volume dito, noong December 9, December 14, December 16, December 21, December 23. Laki, 256 million po yung buying and selling po niya. And now, it's even higher. Yung yesterday po, o yung previous, yung December 29. So ngayon ay mukhang nag-profit taking lang, but I think this will just consolidate and even move higher. Then, finally, we have ICT. ICT mukhang nagko-consolidate lang po. Yan, And EMA50 is acting as our support level, 193.23, Yan yung pinaka-support niya. Actually, yung pinaka-support level niya, umaabot hanggang EMA100 So, 185 to 193 po yung pinaka-support level ni ICT. So, nasa 200 po siya ngayon. Kanina, it went as low as 194. But it rose again to 200. But the sentiment here is bullish. It's bullish po yung sentiment for ICT. With RSI at 14.54, support is between EMA50 and EMA100. That's 185 to 193 po ang pinaka-support niya. Resistance nandito po sa area to. Nasa 204 to 205. But that will continue to rise po. Kasi horizontal lang po yung aking resistance I'm sorry, resistance pa lang ibig kong sabihin dito. But resistance is a bit higher, I would suppose. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, December 31. Alam nyo po, yung kinagisnan ko po since ako po ay simula magtrabaho, December 31 po is a holiday. A bank holiday. Kasi po nagsasara po ng mga libro ng mga bangko. Since the 1970s, 1980s holiday po yan. Ngayon lang po naging working holiday. December 30 talagang holiday po yan. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market December 31, 2021. Happy New Year po and see you next year on December 22 sa ating stock market. Maraming po salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Happy New Year. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.